came out today, so I'm going to use my reflector oven. I made this years ago. I've used it, very little, but I thought this is a great day to come out and bake some blueberry muffins. So I've got this set up, just a couple Y sticks in the back, shoved in the ground, just propped up on that. And I'm going to start my fire, and the reflective heat will actually cook these. Made a little bigger fire lay on the bottom, and now I'll just keep the fire going and bake these. So right now I've got to make the muffin mix. So I've got 3 tins here that I can put the muffin mix in, and they'll sit right on this rack, right across the rack. So I'm going to cut this off and pour some muffin mix in here and add the water, stir it up, and then put it in these here. Of course, I just dump that in by eye because that does a great big, I think 12 muffins or something, a big pan. So I'll do this by eye as well. And I kind of know the consistency that you need. So you add a little and mix it up. And then if you need more, you add more. This is actually a little bit too much water already, so I can just add a little bit more mix. Well, it's not bad, but just a little bit, so I'm going to add just a little bit more mix. It's pretty good consistency there now, so what I'm going to do is gather that up basically like a pastry bag. And I'm going to cut this tip off. Then I can squeeze it into my containers, my tins. So, whoa. Start squeezing this in. Well, there's one. They're all in there now, so all I have to do is start up this fire and let it go. We'll see the progress. As I said, I made this reflector oven there a couple years ago. But I haven't used it a whole lot. Now what I'm going to do is just work on keeping the fire going and watch how these cook. It's nice and warm in there right now. I can see a little change, but got this to a point now that I can go and get other firewood, and this should be fine. you can see, they're starting to brown up. So I guess we'll be testing those in a minute or so with the makeshift toothpick method. Brought my leather gloves so I can actually get these out. And now the old method, stick it in, bring it out if it sticks. Now they're not quite done yet, because it actually stuck to the stick. So I'll just have to let that keep going. They're browning up really well in there right now. I've put some more wood on this, and I'm going to keep it about this level, because like anything, you don't want to cook them too quick. So I'm going to let them go until they're finished, and then I'll show you the results. It's not sticking, so I'm gonna let. Oh, oops! I can still eat that. Gotta let those cool. There it is. I've actually ate some of this one already, but it's done pretty well. I'm happy with it. Got to adjust how far you are away from the fire and such, and it takes a while, but it's a good way to enjoy the afternoon. Thanks for watching, and have a good one. Bye for now.